Welcome to this like-new, elegant luxury home. This inviting design floor plan is a 3-bedroom, 2-bath home in sought-after Brighton Bay Community, which is situated on a cul-de-sac and a beautiful preserve which offers total privacy. Everything has been upgraded in this home, and the owner spared no expense with vaulted ceilings and a private spit floor plan. The master suite boasts a garden tub with custom tile separate shower with a rain shower with massaging jets, large walk-in closets, and as well as a private entrance to the office, which easily could be turned into a 4th bedroom. Additional features include a formal living room, dining room, eat-in kitchen with updated stainless steel appliances, breakfast bar that opens to the family room with new hardwood floors, inside laundry with brand new high-end Samsung washer and dryer, and a 2-car garage. As a member of the Brighton Bay Community, one has access to the community pool, playground, tennis, volleyball, and basketball courts. The home has all these features plus is walking distance to the beach, restaurants, shopping, and much more. Tampa, Downtown Street, Petersburg, and the airport are very close by. Come see this home in person before it's gone.